Have you ever looked into your dog's eyes and felt like they could see right into your soul? Like they know when you're sad or happy or scared? It's a question that has fascinated scientists and dog lovers for centuries. Do dogs really understand human emotions? Or are we just imagining it? Stay with us. Because today we're uncovering the surprising science, heartwarming stories, and even the mysteries that surround this incredible bond between humans and dogs. Dogs have lived alongside humans for at least 15,000 years. They were the very first animals we domesticated. But why did we choose dogs? Because from the very beginning, dogs weren't just hunters or guards. They were companions. Imagine ancient humans sitting around a fire, feeling safe because wolves-turned dogs were nearby. Those animals didn't just protect us, they connected with us. That connection became the foundation of something remarkable: the ability to understand each other's feelings. Scientists have discovered that dogs are one of the few animals that can actually recognize human facial expressions. Yes, they can tell the difference between a smile and a frown. In one famous study, researchers showed dogs photos of their owners looking happy or angry. The dogs consistently reacted differently, wagging their tails for happy faces and avoiding eye contact for angry ones. Think about that. Your dog isn't just responding to your tone of voice. They are literally reading your face. That's something even chimpanzees, our closest relatives, struggle to do with humans. But facial recognition is just the beginning. What about emotions deeper than a smile or a frown? Dogs also respond to human tears. In a groundbreaking experiment, people sat in a room pretending to cry. The dogs? They didn't just sit still. They walked over, nudged, licked, and comforted the person. Here's the fascinating part. They didn't only comfort their own owners. They also approached strangers in distress. This shows something extraordinary. Dogs may have genuine empathy. They don't just notice emotions. They feel with us. But wait, dogs don't rely only on their eyes. They rely on their noses. Dogs have up to 300 million scent receptors. Humans, only about 5 million. That means your dog can smell chemical changes in your body caused by emotions. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol. When you're happy, dopamine and serotonin rise. Dogs can literally smell these changes. It's like they have a sixth sense. No wonder service dogs can detect panic attacks before they happen. Or why therapy dogs can calm anxious patients just by being present. Science aside, let's talk about the stories. There are countless tales of dogs refusing to leave their owner's side during illness. Dogs sleeping on graves. Dogs traveling miles to find their families. Take Hachiko, the legendary Japanese Akita who waited at a train station every single day for his deceased owner. For nearly 10 years. Was that loyalty? Or was it love? And love, after all, is one of the most powerful emotions humans know. Maybe dogs know it too. Here's the twist. We're always asking if dogs understand us. But maybe the real question is, do we understand dogs? Dogs communicate emotions in subtle ways. A wagging tail doesn't always mean happiness. It could mean nervousness or even aggression. Their ears, posture, even their breathing, all carry emotional signals. Maybe dogs are reading us, but are we really reading them? Neuroscientists have taken this even further. Using brain scans, they discovered that dogs' brains light up in the same areas as humans when they hear emotional sounds. That means when you laugh, your dog processes it in a way similar to you. When you cry, they don't just hear noise. They experience the emotional weight behind it. This might explain why dogs are so tuned into our moods. It's not imagination. It's neurological reality. So why does this matter? Because the bond between humans and dogs is unlike anything else in the animal kingdom. It's not just training. It's not just instinct. It's an emotional connection that runs both ways. And maybe, just maybe, that's why dogs became our best friends in the first place. But let's be clear, we still don't know everything. Do dogs truly understand emotions the way we do? Or are they simply masters at picking up signals? Maybe it doesn't matter. Because when your dog curls up next to you on a bad day, and you feel just a little bit better, isn't that proof enough? So let me ask you this. Has your dog ever comforted you when you were sad? Or maybe they celebrated your joy before anyone else did? Share your story in the comments. I'd love to hear how your dog shows emotions. At the end of the day, science can measure brainwaves, hormones, and behavior. But the truth is simple. Dogs don't just walk beside us. They feel beside us. And maybe that's all the proof we need. If you enjoyed this journey into the secret world of dogs, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a story from Nature Secrets. Because there's a whole universe of animal mysteries waiting to be discovered. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.